Alright, welcome back. Unboxing round 2. You know, the first one I got had a big ding in the side of it. You know, so the good thing about Amazon, you can always send it back, get another one, you know. So let's take a look at this one. Of course, there's the mount. And it's weird because, you know, it was all sealed up and everything. But, you know, it had like a big dent in the side of it, and I don't know if that's just from you know, where the mount was in there with it or what, but I just figured, hey, why should I, you know, keep this? It probably wouldn't affect the scope, you know, it's mainly cosmetic, but still, you know, they need to do better on their packaging if that's how they're going to do it. So anyways, here we go. And yeah, this one's a little nicer. It doesn't, I don't see any dents or dings or anything on this one. So like I was saying in the other one, when I took it out, it's got you know, the flip up caps already come on it. Looks nice. You know, like I said in my other review, that the clicks are good. I mean, it's a little squishy, you know. It's not perfect on that, but there again, this is not, you know, a long range precision optic or anything. And it does have illumination. You can see, yep, there you can see what it looks like. And honestly, this thing, it's very forgiving. It looks like it just out of the box. And I mean, I can see the illumination on the reticle there. You know, that's in 1 power, so it looks pretty good right now. And you know, it is it's a bigger tube, you know, 34 millimeter tube. It's really what I would consider, you know, heavy duty. It's heavier, you know, 1 to 10 power. It is first focal plane. So I'm gonna get this mounted up probably on my AR-47 that I've got, because the scope on it's I don't know, it's just, I just threw it on there and just to have something. So I think I'm gonna put this one on that gun, and then we'll take it out and look through the camera and see what it looks like. But overall, unboxing, pretty nice. Looks like a nice scope, smooth, you know, very similar to the other one that I got, just more bigger, beefier, a little bit higher magnification. Just feels a little more heavy duty on this one. So 7.62 by 39 from Bear Creek. It's a side charging. So you know, this is a nice, I think, you know, gun for this scope. So I'm gonna look down try to look down the scope and see if I can get some good pictures of it. All right, so there's it, 1 power. There's 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Whoops, I lost it. And that's a 10 power. So that's 10 power. Illumination on. Okay, illumination on. I'm going to turn it back down. What is it? 6, 5, 4, 3, and back down to 1. So that's 5, 6, 7, and then there's 10 again. Whoops, I lost it. There we go. So I don't know, final thoughts. I think it is a pretty good budget scope. I think the glass is clear. I think it's you you know, the power wheel moves real good. It does have good magnification on it. The illumination's decent. It's not the best I've ever seen. It's probably lower end illumination, you know, in my opinion. And you know, overall it's okay. The mount is nice. I think the mount's good and solid. You know, the turrets pull up and clicks. I mean, they seem like they're okay. Everything seems good. You know, I wish the reticle was a little better as far as being a little more fine at high power, but that's just the kind of a drawback. You know, this wheel is real smooth, and you know, going from power to power is real easy. And you know, it's intermediate power scope. You know, low power variable optic. You can get up to 10 power. You know, unfortunately, for the first focal plane, I mean, the reticle kind of covers up, you know, some of the target, you know, at distance. But you know, that's kind of the trade-off you have with these scopes sometimes, especially the first focal plane scopes like this one. So anyways, that's about all I got on this one. I think it's a decent budget option. There may be some better ones out there. You know, I still think I like it a little bit better than you know, the Monstrum one I had, and that I sent the other one back that I got. What was the name of it? Oh, Discovery Opt. You know, the 2 to 12. The eye box on it was just too tight. You know, which, I mean, the eye box on this is plenty good and forgiving, and you know, you got plenty of room in there. So anyways, that's my review. I guess I'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a good one.